We're going to be unboxing the Logitech Media K400 Plus. Left side of the box shows a profile, left side of the keyboard and Media K400 Plus. Bottom of the box has Logitech Media K400 Plus. Back of the box says Media K400 Plus. Wireless touch keyboard, Windows, Chrome OS, Android. Additional features is 10 meter or 33-foot wireless range, 18-month battery life with 2 AA included, plug and play, which is everybody's friend at almost 2.5 gigahertz, connects to one device, on and off power switch. What you need is Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Android 5.0, Chrome OS, a USB port, of course, internet connection. All right, let's open this thing up. My son's going to help me open this thing up today. Nice first presentation. This is everything unpackaged out of the box. You get the keyboard with the trackpad built into it. Bottom of the device is very simple. It does have rubber feet, 4 of them to be exact. Back of the device has an on-off toggle and a battery compartment. Batteries come installed. And that's it, my brothers and sisters. Google on.